These are 10-inch, so we're going to try 10-inch with a 3-cell, because these ones with a 3-cell just barely stay up, not as much power as you need 4 cells. So the view is we go the 10-inch and we try with the 3-cell. So we'll give it a throw and see what it does. Put that in the right way, be good.
Telemetry recovered.
This is just a little 3-cell. There we go with that. It shouldn't hit the antenna or anything, so all good.
dB. 84 dB. 74 dB.
Seems to go right with the 10s.
79 dB.
Depends whether it's putting too much juice in it or not.
70 dB. 62 dB.
Bring you round.
dB. 58 dB. 73 dB. 90 dB. 84 dB.
You know the next thing, don't you? 4-cell with
81 dB.
10-inch props.
73 dB. 80 dB. 78 dB. 68 dB. 77 dB. 84 dB. 80 dB. 81 dB.
Only problem with twin engines is,
80 dB.
especially with opposing props, there's no aerobatics with it.
68 dB.
Maybe a loop, but anyway.
66.
This is a non-aerobatical plane.
73 dB.
This is just saving it from throwing it out.
75 dB.
Because I tell you what,
82
she was one flight away from being scrapped.
72 dB.
It's more glue than foam, this thing.
78 dB. 86 dB. 80 dB. 74 dB. 75 dB. 57 dB.
Get over that, get on the grass.
72 dB. 86 dB.
So we've got our 4-cell in the old Skywalker.
88 dB.
Put that in the,
91 dB.
put the ailerons in the middle position.
89 dB.
Clear all the grass out from
90 dB.
previous landings. Okay,
dB.
so that seems to be the go.
72
10-inch props, 4-cell.
77 dB.
That's a
77
go.
dB.
I just need,
68 dB.
I just need to buy a jet, I think.
63 dB. 73 dB. 75 dB. 69 dB. 67 dB.
Gee, she just climbs out of sight, doesn't it?
4 dB.
Let's put him into a dive and bring him round, eh?
66 dB. 64 dB. 74 dB.
Getting a little bit windy.
72 dB. 71 dB. 69 dB.
Yeah, let's not kill it.
67 dB.
Let's just have some fun.
56 dB. 64 dB.
That's about 3/4 throttle.
dB. 74 dB.
So Tenergy Plus ESCs,
79
I
dB.
think they're 30 amps or 25s. I think they're 30s actually.
55 dB. 68 dB. 66 dB. 80 dB. 72 dB. 59 dB. 64 dB. 70 dB. 86 dB. 78 dB. 76 dB. 74 dB. 69 dB. 73 dB. 67 dB. 66 dB. 72 dB. 71 dB. 69 dB. 74 dB. 68 dB. 73 dB. 60 dB. 64 dB. 76 dB. 71 dB. 75 dB. 84 dB.
That's how you land. You do the sort of the pirouette, that's the pirouette landing. Not many pilots can do that. How are those motors? Are they nice and warm or what? No, they're staying cold. Mind you, it is winter, it's about -10. And take off the added weight on the front.